Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Guys, we have an unusual one here today. It has horns and a push bar and like Jeep straps on the hood. I believe this is a Crown Vic, like an old police car. But people lift these up and put mud tires and they use them for like something called the Scrambler 500. It even has a roof rack on it. What they do is they make them really durable so that they can use them off-road, and they're supposed to last like 500 miles. You can definitely tell that it used to be a police car because you can see where it still says emergency, where they pulled the stickers off. So at one point this was definitely a police car. It's running on 235/70/16s off-road tires with a roof rack, CB antennas, a little bit of duct tape on the mirror. Can't miss that. But yeah, it definitely has the push bar and the horns. So let me know what you guys think. They call these the Scrambler 500 cars. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this around? Would you do anything different to it? It is missing the grill. Maybe to help them cool down. Well, like and subscribe. This is the Drop Shop Garage. Take it easy.